it's not gonna do anything. You won't get anything from it. Too late. I mined it all.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. So there's more up there. Okay. Yep, I can I'm literally throwing my pickaxe.
Ooh, I think I got it.
Yeah, get all my iron. Okay. Oh man, I hear lava. Okay, down iron.
Billy, is that coal over there?
We've already got tons of coal. Look at all this iron.
Like, that looks like iron too.
There's iron up here though. There's
Isn't
lots
that
of iron. Look. No, that's gravel. Come on, there's iron right here. Come on, there's lots of it. Keep getting this iron. Yeah. It took me forever before I found iron when I first started playing. So you don't know how lucky you are to have
I
someone.
don't know why iron's so good when all we're... Oh.
Well, we have to smelt it, and we have to go up to our stove to smelt it. Okay.
When can we do something interesting?
When we find more, like what? We are doing something interesting. We're looking for monsters. Good grief, we just went around in a circle.
When are we gonna play a game with everyone in it?
With everyone? You need a little more experience than that. What, you mean like the Hunger Games?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go up here. We haven't explored this yet. Or have we? Have we explored this?
It all looks the same to me.
Oh, there's iron up here. Look, we need lots of iron. Oh, whoa. Okay, this cave opened up into another one. Okay, let's get this iron. So, up on top, as soon as you just said we've got tons of coal.
I don't.
Yeah, you do. Okay, fine. Well, I'll get the iron. We can make iron armor, which will protect us against the monsters. Okay, so let's keep going over here. There's probably more monsters over this way. So, it doesn't seem like monsters spawn as frequently in multiplayer.
Is this all iron?
Whoa, no, that's gravel. Iron is kind of brown.
That is
Brown
kind of
speck.
brown.
Look, I think there's an exit up here. We can, like, climb out up here. Yeah, there's a hole. So, yeah, we can go back up if you want. See if we can find our house. Yeah, see, look, we found our way out.
Is this where our house is?
I don't know. We'll have to see if we can find it. Hey, your chickens.
Oh, good, I need a chicken.
Hopefully, we can find our house, because then we can find this cave.
How come this hole is here?
It's a cave entrance.
There's an egg and a chicken.
Yeah, kill the chicken. Get over here, you stupid chicken. Yeah, okay. Let's see. I may have to turn my render distance.
Oh no, I can't pick up the chicken